Kindly verify your data. Go to Entry menu. Select Trade Listing Bulk Data, Multiple Date TX and Upload. Select AQFNO, MCX, NCDAX. Currency. Select the broker. Click on Configuration to set up broker format. Select the broker to upload data. Click OK. Click on Save. Click on Import button to upload data. Select transaction file from the path where the data is stored. Click OK. Data is stored successfully. Click on Save. Go to Entry menu. Select Broker Bill, Equity F&O, Currency. Select the investment type. Go to Search button, search bill. Click OK. Go to Billing process. Select Brokerage Calculation. Select the dates. Select the investment type. Click on Only Selected Broker. Select the broker. Click OK. Click on Only Selected Members. Select the member. Click OK. Click OK again. Go to Billing process. Select Regenerate Expenses. Select the dates. Select the investment type. Select the exchange type. Click on Only Selected Broker. Select the broker. Click OK. Click on Only Selected Member. Select the member. Click OK. Click on Regenerate Bill. Search your bill. Select Trade Listing Bulk Data, Multiple Data Transaction Upload. Go to Entry menu. Select Broker Bill, Equity F&O, Currency. Select the investment type. Select the bill. Click OK. Kindly check your data. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.